Dime. Dime cómo actualizar el firmware.
I won't say a word. Oops, just did. Let me tell you how to update the firmware then. You'll want to start by plugging your XYZ printer into a computer and launching the XYZ Maker Suite software. Then selecting XYZ Print. Make sure the correct printer is selected from the My Printers drop-down section. There will be 3 boxes titled Extruder, Filament, and Setup. Select Setup, then select Update. Well, looks like you were able to update the firmware on your printer. See you next time.